So this is a resort. You can see the signboard directing you as you move different places. This is the party, RIU party I was telling you, where I come to use the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is different from the one from the hotel one. So this is where they have all the party, all the all-night party here. So I always come to this bar. There's a bar behind this ash place. That's where I come to too. You can see drinks on the floor. There's a bar there just for that area. So I come here to move my videos, to upload them because their internet here is faster, different from the hotel, you know. So this is the walking. See what I told you. You walk a lot. I've been walking since I started this video, and I've not even done up to 10% of what I'll still walk to get to where I'll eat. So I'm taking you along as I'm going to where we'll eat, so that I can get a good view of what this place looks like. Look at here. See what I was telling you about the pavements, how it's clearly tiled and is washed every day with machines. See all the cactus I was telling you, different cactus, then coconut trees, lots. Then you have more cactus here, different types. Even that type that I have in front of the house, the one that I love most is these tall ones. I love them. I'm very crazy about them. I've been looking at them since. So this is the entrance to the party zone. So anywhere here, my videos will upload easily. Anywhere here, my video peaks easily. You know, that's what I like. So these still resorts where people are sleeping. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. It's okay, you know. So you can see people walking. They're going to deliver things. You can see this truck. That's how they move around here. Because you cannot carry things easily. You need to walk a long distance. See descriptions so you don't get lost. See more and more descriptions so you don't get lost as you move. You see different flowers. I told you these are people walking. They are opening their stores. This is where they pack some things that they use. So I'm still walking now. I never reach where I go eat. These are different rooms. You see that cactus. You see what I was telling you, why I'm in love with them. Then the coconut trees. This is a coconut flower. You know, this is where we took some pictures with them that day. You see. Meanwhile, I'm still working on the tile. So we'll have a major drainage here. That's why the place can never flood. You can see. So any water, any rain at all, it goes in from here and quickly connects to the beach. Okay, I'm still trekking. You can see down there. You can see part of the resort down there. You can see how far. You see how far it is. You see where people are trekking. Once you see this yellowish, brownish house, it's still part of the resort. The same thing with that side. If you are going to the beach, you go this way. Straight down now will lead you to the beach. At the end of that place will lead you to the beach. So you see the cactus. See, I'm in love with these flowers. I wish I could take them. These are some people walking here. They're just relaxing and having fun. Maybe they're on break. So you see the trees. That is what I love. See some people checking out. Think their own day is over. See more blocks. So you have some people that are called the Vego group, or the Viaggio group. So it's like that RVI type of thing we're doing, timeshare. So they put them here. So see another RIU, but it's not part of this one we are in. This one's their own building is taller, like 4-5 stories, you know. But they are sharing common facilities with this place. You can see there is a gate, especially in front of that our room, where people come in. So I think they have an understanding. You understand? I'm still walking to where I'll eat. So I think they have an understanding to use shared facility. Maybe they come to eat. I can't really tell because there are a lot of people. You know, so I'm still walking. Can you see the buildings? You see how everybody is moving? You see people walking? You see technicians? You see how it is? Okay, I think I passed the spa. Let me see. Okay, no, see the spa now. This one that does